Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be checking out Akko's newest switch called the Akko CS Snow Blue Gray, and it was sent over to me by Akko themselves for my honest review. Now the coolest thing about this switch is it is Akko's very first 5-pin switch. It is going to be more stable because it is PCB mounted, so make sure your hotspot PCB does support 5-pin switches before even thinking about buying this switch. With that all being said, the price for the switch goes around 35 cents per switch and features a really pretty colorway, which is light blue top and bottom housing and a white stem. When it comes to the specifications of this switch, it is a palm stem with a PC top housing and a PA bottom housing. The spring featured in the switch is an 18mm extension spring, and when it comes to the weight, it has an operating force of 43 grams and an end force of 50 grams. When it comes to the travel distance, it is 4mm and it has a pre-travel distance of 1.9mm. Of course, this switch is a linear as well. I don't think that they're amazing right out of the box. They do have some scratchiness that you will hear in the sound test, but when it comes to the sound signature, they lean towards the clackier, poppier side of things. So here's a quick sound test so you guys can hear how they sound. I don't think these switches sound bad or feel bad, but I also don't think they're probably the best bet for this price point, considering the fact that Wuche Studios offers their WS Yellow and WS Red switches, which in my opinion feel and sound better because they do come factory lubed right out of the box for the same price of 35 cents per switch. Now, these also feature better weights in my opinion and better springs. They have double stage springs, which means they are snappier, and they are 22mm because in my opinion 18mm springs plus a lighter weight, which is 43 grams, the Snow Blue Gray switches had me bottoming out quite frequently. The WS Red switches are a little bit heavier with 67 grams, but the spring is still 2-stage and 22mm. So in my opinion, this switch is not bad if you want a great colorway, and maybe that's like your theme of your board, maybe you want to go a Christmas theme, then definitely check these out. But if you're just going based off of feel and sound, I do think there are better options out there, like the WS Yellow and WS Red switches from Wuche Studios. If you're still interested in buying this switch, I'll be leaving a link to it in the description below. But other than that, let me know what you guys think about this switch in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.